Hi there, I'm Greg Nanigian, and if you lead outbound call teams, sales development representatives, business development representatives, what used to be known as telemarketers, anybody that you want to set appointments effectively, this workshop is really for you. So you'll see how to train your teams to triple the number of appointments they book. You'll discover coaching techniques to dramatically improve the quality of the appointments. And you're going to hear two proven methods to systematically train your teams on how to save time, work smarter, have more fun, and make more money, for you too. So beat out the competition with new tools. We're going to integrate the phone, LinkedIn, e-marketing, even video. We'll talk about all of that. You can use all of it. You can use some of it. But taking a cold list of 100 names, we'll show you how to have your teams make contact with 26 out of 100. The average for telemarketers, SDRs, and BDRs is 5 to 8%. We're going to show you how to quadruple that to 26%. Register now. It's going to be a great workshop, a lot of content. I'm Greg Nanigian. I'll work forward to working with you then. Take care.